Welcome back. The High Court has allowed Vishwas Desai to enter Kankona municipal area except disputed Ruby Residency complex. Vishwas Desai is one of the key accused in Ruby Residency building collapse case. Vishwas Desai has filed a petition before the High Court pleading to modify its previous order barring him to enter Kankona municipal area.
The High Court on Thursday allowed accused contractor Vishwas Desai to enter Kankona municipal area, but restrictions to enter disputed Ruby Residence complex will continue. In a modification petition filed before the High Court, Vishwas Desai stated that his business has stopped as his work is going on in Kankona area, and his office inside Ruby Residency complex has also been sealed by the investigating officer. Prosecution though opposed Vishwas Desai's plea. They failed to give any solid reason to stop him from visiting Kankona. Vishwas Desai stated that construction of a government school building is going on in that area and he needs to supervise it. While allowing Vishwas Desai to visit Kankona, the High Court also gave liberty to him to file a petition praying to unseal his office. The High Court has adjourned hearing of this matter for 2 weeks. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Chief Minister and Education Minister Manohar Parrikar announced change in Bal Rath schemes. He informed that buses will not be provided by the government, rather schools will be allowed to hire buses. He was speaking at the laying down of foundation stone for new building of Gujarati Samaj Education Trust for the Handicapped.
ह्या क्षेत्रांत आनी खूब गजाली करपाच्यो गरज आसा. बशीची हांवें नोंद केल्या ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स पयलींच गेल्ली आसा. They were waiting for the academic year. ह्या academic year the scheme is slightly changing. We are not going to give you the buses. We will give you money to hire buses. Because आमकां अशें लक्षात आयलें की बस दिली की लगेच तो क्लिनर म्हणटा आपल्याक परमनंट कर, तो ड्रायव्हर म्हणटा आपल्याक परमनंट कर. त्यापेक्षा जो ड्रायव्हर आनी क्लिनर ताणेच बस लावनी इन्स्टिट्यूशना कडेन. We will pay them charges so that they can own the bus after 3-4 years. paying the loan. ती स्कीम येतली त्यामुळे तुमकां एडिशनल बसीचे परमिशन मेळटलें. फक्त नवी बस घेवच्या जाग्यार हाका मेळटलें. ती ऑलरेडी हॅज बीन टोल्ड टू द डिपार्टमेंट बिफोर द इलेक्शन्स वर डिक्लेअर्ड and the orders might come in the academic year.
Vijay Sadesai, Digambar Kamath were also present for the function. Parrikar praised Digambar Kamath for introducing Bal Rath scheme in the state.
ही संस्था जे कितें करता ताका सरकारान जे कितें केलां ते एक बरी सरकाराची म्हणजे दिगंबराच्या काळात म्हाका दिसता 6,500 हांव खूबदां हाका क्रिटिसायज करता बट दिस इज गूड थिंग ही हॅज डन. बऱ्यो गजाली आहा त्यो बऱ्यो म्हणूंक जाय कारण ह्या कामाची गरज आसा आनी ह्या कामाक लागणारो सपोर्ट अक्रॉस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पॉलिटिकल विशय धरनासतना आमी दिवपाची गरज आहा.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Goa Cricket Association will organise the first Women's G.P.L 2020 Championship from Saturday. 8 teams are taking part in the competition, which will conclude on 29th April. The group phase matches and semi-finals will be played at Marshe Ground in Kankona Taluka, while the big final will be a floodlit encounter at Poruri. The organisers intend to use the Women's G.P.L event as a platform to create awareness about the fast-spreading evil of breast cancer in the state.
GCA Vice President and G.P.L 2014 Chairman Dr. Shekhar Salkar and Women's Cricket Convener Anagha Arlekar unveiled the Women's T20 G.P.L plans at a press conference on Thursday.
We have total 8 teams and the names of the teams are like Patiswari, that is Panjim Angels, Satyakam Angels, Pernem Premier, Sanklim Devils, Bicholium Warriors, Vasco Royals, Kanpon Smashers and Sarvodaya Riders. These 8 teams are going to play over there. The whole tournament till semi-final we will play it at Mashem. And then the final will be here at Porvarim. And this time we have thought to have this final in floodlight. One motto behind organising this tournament, full tournament, is that to give more and more cricket to women so that whatever the talent they have will come up.
Dr. Salkar highlighted that the Women's T20 competition will be a vehicle to increase the awareness about breast cancer.
I have taken this opportunity of T20 Ladies Premier League to also have awareness on breast cancer. So we will be giving the two logos on the back and front of the T-shirt, and my Gokarma Oncology Association, which is a cancer surgeonanचे सगळ्यांचे associations आसा आमचे Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtraचे, they will be sponsoring a lakh of rupees for this cause. And final, the chief guest will be our Chief Minister, Sri Yonar Parrikar. At the same time, Director of Tata Memorial Hospital, Mr. Rajan Badwe. We are utilizing this T20 not only as a sports event, but also as an event to have awareness on the breast cancer, which is on the rise in Goa.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gawas from Parvari.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.